Barking dogs can be a common problem in residential areas. While dogs are beloved pets, their barking can be disruptive, especially when it's constant. So, how can you deal with dogs that bark excessively, particularly if they belong to your neighbors? This video will talk about the importance of understanding why dogs bark and provide tips on how to deal with barking dogs in a peaceful and respectful manner. Before you can deal with a barking dog, it's essential to understand why they are barking. Dogs bark for various reasons, such as anxiety, boredom, fear, territorialism, or excitement. A barking dog may be trying to protect the property or alert the owner to something. Sometimes, dogs bark just because they want attention or because it is a learned behavior. Some dogs may bark because they are feeling unwell. Knowing why dogs bark is the first step towards solving the problem. After identifying why the dog barks, it is essential to communicate with the dog's owner. Speak with your neighbor in a polite and respectful manner. Let them know how their dog's barking affects you without being confrontational or accusing them. Chances are, your neighbor may not even know that their dog is causing such a disturbance. Offer solutions such as earplugs or seeking professional help for their dog. Try to work out a compromise with your neighbor that considers both you and their pet. If your neighbor is unable or unwilling to train their dog, you can do it yourself. You can train your neighbor's dog using positive reinforcement. By rewarding good behavior with treats or toys, you can teach the dog to stop barking excessively. It's essential to ensure that the dog is not being mistreated or neglected by the owner. If you're uncomfortable with training someone else's pet, seek help from a professional dog trainer. If the barking continues despite your best efforts, there are legal options. Research the dog laws in your area and consult with authorities such as animal control or the police. They can investigate and issue warnings or fines to the dog's owner. However, legal solutions should be the last resort as they can be expensive and may harm your relationship with your neighbor. Dealing with barking dogs can be challenging, especially when they belong to your neighbors. However, it's essential to address the problem in a peaceful and respectful manner. Communicate with your neighbor, train their dog, and seek legal options after trying all other strategies. Above all, remember that both dogs and neighbors deserve respect and consideration.